Hello Sagittarius, Archie Dunlop here with your daily horoscope for Tuesday, January the 16th, 2024. You know what the problem with Sagittarius is? It's got too many letters. I was trying to make this video and I don't know, I don't think the way I've written Sagittarius on this video is particularly effective. I think I have to work out better how to produce these videos. And as you can see, Sagittarius has got a lot of letters. It just covers almost half the screen. So yeah, that is a problem with Sagittarius. But aside from that, things look quite good in the sense that the moon is now in Aries, which is a fire sign. Sagittarius is a fire sign. So, when you've got the moon in Aries, that really brightens things up for you. You feel optimistic, and you feel that you can get things done, and you can not just be optimistic, but you can be creative. And matters are helped by the fact that Venus and Jupiter, remember Jupiter is the ruling planet of Sagittarius, they are making an 135-degree aspect. That's 3/8 of the circle. So if you imagine you've got a cake, 3/8 is like three slices. You've got a cake divided into 8 pieces. Three equal slices would be 135 degrees, and it's a very dynamic aspect. So Sagittarius, with Venus sesquiquadrate Jupiter, your optimism is boosted, and I think that you become luckier than average. And I think part of your luck is that you see the best in everything, and that's great. But one warning about this Venus sesquiquadrate Jupiter: there's a slight danger that you take things too far. Some of your activities, you might put too much energy into them, and if you put too much energy into something, you might just get too much of a good thing. Also, in astrology, when you've got a Venus Jupiter aspect, you always have to be careful about over expenditure, and over expenditure could be an issue today. So do consider what you're planning on spending money on, and really, if in doubt, don't, because why would you want to spend money on something that you don't really need? It's because you want things to be better, larger, more exciting, and you want to do it in the easiest way possible. And sometimes you might feel that spending money is the way to do it. Well, spending money is not the way to do it. You should be focusing that Venus-Jupiter sesquiquadrate 135-degree aspect in a different way. I think, for example, you might want to focus on other people. I mean, Venus is the relationship planet. You can make the most of other people. You can get a great deal from other people. Okay, not all people, but there are one or two people who you can really develop a powerful rapport with. But today, it's very much a sense of, okay, here's the good news, but. And so, if you like, the but is that the moon is in Aries. It's in a very creative sector of your solar chart. But the moon is making a square aspect to both Mercury and Mars. And that goes back to what I was talking about in terms of money. You may feel that your ability to make things happen is stunted by by money. Well, you want to do all this, but money is stopping you from doing it. Now, as I've already said, that's just false. That is an illusion. It's not about money. It's just that money is a convenient way of, it's a convenient way of sort of symbolizing what is holding you back. And you're perhaps not helped by the fact that some people seem to be very concerned about money. Now, maybe they're right to be concerned about money, but if someone makes just financial objections for the sake of it, oh, you can't do that because it's expensive, well, that's asking the wrong question. It's whether you can or cannot do something, as I've been trying to explain, it's not about money, but you might think it's about money, and other people might think it's about money. So you kind of have to move beyond money and instead see the whole issue as being about the capacity to take successful action, and really, it's all about being imaginative, isn't it? Because if you're imaginative and creative, then you can get exactly where you want to be without having to spend a dime or a penny wherever you are. So that's today. Plenty of opportunities. You're a fun person to have around, and you just have to avoid these sort of distractions. These distractions about saying, "Oh, you can't do that because of this." No, Now you're a Sagittarius. You have the imagination and the spark to make things happen and to be able to see things through without breaking the bank. Okay, Sagittarius, that's all I'm going to say for today. Thanks for listening, and I will talk to you again tomorrow.